She is coming. She wants to sail. She's almost ready. She's sleeping. It's going to be fast. Next video. Maiden for the new boat.